Hello friends, my name is Anubhav More and today's date is 20 July and today I am talking about data types in Java. So what is data type? Data type specifies the different sizes and values that can be stored in the variable. There are two types of data types. First one is primitive data type, second one is non-primitive data type. So primitive data types. The primitive data type includes boolean, char, short, int, long, byte, float and double. Non-primitive data type. Non-primitive data type includes string, arrays, classes, and interfaces. Java primitive data types. In a Java language, the primitive data types are the building blocks of data manipulation. There are the most basic type of Java language. There are eight types of primitive data types: boolean, byte, char, short, int, long, float, and double. The boolean boolean data type. The boolean data type used to store only two possible values, either true and false. This data type is used to a single flag, a simple flag that can be that's a track true and false condition. The boolean data type specifies one bit of information, but the size it cannot be defined precisely. Byte data type. The byte data type is an example of primitive data type. It is an 8-bit signed 2's complement integer. Value range lies between -128 to 127. The minimum value is -128 and maximum value is 127. Its default value is 0. Short data type. The short data type is a 16-bit signed 2's complement integer. The value range lies between -32768 to 32767. The minimum value is -32768 and the maximum value is 32767. Its default value is 0. The short data type it can also be used to save memory, just like byte data type. A short data type is a 2 times smaller than an integer. Int data type. Int data type is a 32-bit signed 2's complement integer, and value range lies between 2 raised to 31 minus 1 to minus 2 raised to 31. The minimum value range is minus 2 raised to 31 and maximum value range is 2 raised to 31 minus 1. Its default value is 0. The int data type is a generally used default data type for integral values unless if there no problem about memory. Long data type. Long data type is a 64-bit signed 2's complement integer, and values range lies between -2 raised to 63 to -2 raised to 63 minus 1. The minimum value is -2 raised to 63 and maximum value is 2 raised to 63 minus 1. Its default value is 0. The long data type used when you need to arrange range of values more than those provided by int. Float data type. The float data type is a single precision 32-bit IEEE 754 floating point. Its value range is unlimited. Double data type. Its default value is 0.0. Double data type. The double data type is a 64-bit IEEE 754 floating point. Its value range is unlimited and its default value is 0.0d. Char data type. The char data type is a single 60-bit Unicode character. Its value range. The char data type is used to store character. For example, char ch is equal to single inverted a. Thank you.